Juni, hope you're having a good day. Okay, so this is my assignment too. This is my server and this is my client. So this thing is actually very similar to my first assignment. It's more or less like a copy and paste, but I integrated it into a server and client kind of application. So here I started off with import socket. Import socket is to help me to create all these connections and networks. Import threading is to connect it to like multiple servers. Okay, so I will start off with my server settings first. These are my server settings. So this is my host, the local host, and this is the port, and this is to establish the connection. And once this connection is established, a print servers online listening on host and port accordingly. So as shown over here. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So this is server online listening over here, listening. And then okay, so when new clients are connected to this server, then you'll print out accordingly new connection from this host and this port. Okay, if there's any issues with the server, you'll print critical server error. And once I've decided to shut down the server, will print server shutting down. Okay, on the client side, okay, I started off with the host and the port. Yeah, host and the port, and also like an exception over here, exception if there's an error, and finally disconnected from the server. Yeah. Okay, so to the first part. Okay, so over here I did the handle client. So this is where all the client, or where will be the most of the interaction will be happening, where most of the services and all this will be running on. Okay, so firstly we'll print once I run this client, you print welcome to electronic services and protection, followed by all the options and enter your choice as shown over here. Okay, and okay, if I choose if choice equals to 1, so in this case if I choose if choice equals to 1, it will print out the services available, which are all these 4 services, along as well as it will look back to the main menu, which is this menu, and my selected services are over here at the top. Sorry, my services are over here. These are all my services. Okay, so continuing on, going to the second option, if choice equals to 2, enter your choice. So I'm entering 2. And okay, so what I did over here was I made it to a point like where even if I can just search a letter, like okay, let's say I just put the letter E, it will actually show the services. Yeah, so in this case I'm just going to enter the letter E, and yeah, it shows the services that are associated with the letter E. The thing that I did was I integrated the search function and the function to add services together. So okay, so once I search for the services, I can add the services over here. So let's say I want to add firewall service, I just press 1, enter, and yeah, it prints out firewall service added successfully. Okay, next, view added services. This is option number 3. So it will show the services that I've added, which is firewall service. Okay, going back to the client. Okay, so yeah, this is for my choice number 1. Just the message will just be received, and it'll print the services list accordingly. Same thing for the choice number 2, and this is the search function part that I did. Okay, likewise for the choice equals to 3. 4 and 5 are also very similar. 4 is also similar to 3, and this is 5. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Now I'll go to choice equals to 4. Choice equals to 4. Yeah. So here payment has been is successful. So I also made the thing print out total payment, the amount they have to pay, and once it's successful, you'll just print out thank you message. Okay, now to the more important one, the admin function. Okay, I'll just explain the admin code first. So this is my admin code. Okay, username, password. Okay, so choice 5, name Karthik's 10001. Okay, well, so once I enter into admin mode, it will say welcome, press enter to continue. Once I click enter, it will say enter the name of the new service or type exit to go home, to go back, sorry. So in this case, I'll enter home network. Okay, and it will ask me for the price in US dollars. So I'll put about 1000. Okay, yeah, 1000 again. Okay, and then it will print out a message. Added service home network at 1000 per year. Okay, so next I just have to click enter, and then you ask me again, enter the name of the next new service or type exit to go back. So I'll just type exit and I'm out. Okay, next. Okay, so to show that this new service has been added, I'll just click one, and as shown over here. Yeah. Okay, sorry, this was already originally over here, but yeah, this is my new one, home network. Yeah, so that's my new one. Yeah, so this is for the admin. So how it works is basically I have 3 attempts. Okay, and every attempt I'll have to enter my username and password. And if only the username and password match, you'll print the welcome, press to enter to continue message. And yeah, and then the following ones, enter the name of the new service, enter the price for the new service in USD. And okay, let's say if in the price I make a mistake, give me the message, price must be in positive numbers. Yep. And once I've added it, you print added service and the service price as shown in the previous statement. Yeah, yeah, this one. Yeah, and then yeah, and then if let's say I make a if I enter like instead of numbers, I enter like words, it will say invalid price. Please enter valid numbers only. And every time I make a mistake, the numbers, the tries will be decreasing. So from 3 will become -1. And once it equals to 0, then it will print out access denied, returning to menu. Yeah. So yes, this is more or less my code. Yeah. And this is the client function that works accordingly with the server. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all I have. Yeah. I think I've completed everything. Okay, yeah, that'll be all for my explanation, ma'am. Thank you so much and have a good day.